Well, it's about 3 weeks later from the last video. I think I uploaded it, I don't remember. But here's the car in the exact way it was 3 weeks ago. We got the engine transmission in. We haven't hooked anything up there in that department. Inside the car we got everything on the firewall. We got wire laid out. Basically, oh wait, oh look at this. And Paul came with some goodies. Some straps and these pieces, you know, actually I forgot when I went to Crazy Bins a long time ago, I got a body clip kit, yeah. And it has these in there. Right on, so if you need any too.
No, I've got plenty, you know.
Okay,
I ordered them from Japan.
Japan. I got the cheap Chinese knockoff. Well, I got the original equipment. I got Suzuki genuine now, but yeah, so gotta wire up the engine and see if we can get this thing to roar back to life or not. Well, I guess I might not be able to do that because I might have enough oil, but the transmission doesn't have enough fluid. But I got a jug of oil there.
You can run anything thicker than power steering fluid and that and it'll be fine, right?
Yeah, I know, but
so, like, whatever you got.
I don't have anything other than oil, motor oil.
Well, that wouldn't hurt either.
Yeah, but I don't plan on driving it soon, so there's no rush in putting stuff in the transmission.
So is this car going to make it downtown?
Yeah, hopefully. I'm going to hopefully have the whole interior in it and make it look pretty well complete. Right. And because I don't have an exhaust yet, we'll throw that old exhaust back on just for the hell of it. Be loud. I'll drive it there like that too.
That's just about what I've got under my car right now, except somebody put a muffler on it. But they cut it off right there where the bend is.
Oh yeah.
So if I cut it off again, all I need is an extension, and I got what you got out the back.
Yeah, but this is right underneath the front tire.
I found out this is the original downpipe.
Really?
Everything's original. Catalytic converter's still there.
Wow.
But the muffler back, or the tailpipe is just, I don't know where they got it from. It must have been a Canadian Tire Special. It's not the right pipe.
That's what this was. This is Canadian Tire Special. Yeah. And then, well, I think part of it was Toyota Camry. Part of it was Subaru. And then the tail upswept part is Canadian Tire. So, yeah, so Suzuki, Subaru, to Toyota Camry or Corolla, to galvanized pipe from Canadian Tire. But yeah, so I don't know. Well,
let's get the engine harness passed through the dash.
Yeah, we'll figure out what needs to be plugged in and finish up the body harness, make sure everything works on the body, and then after we know this runs, then we can throw an interior in this thing. So that's cool. Most of it's there, and there, and there, and there, and there.
At least you know it's all in one spot.
It's all in one general area.
Look hard enough, you'll find it.
And I still have to custom make some door panels because I got the 89 GT door lowers, and I'm going to try and bolt the MK3 charcoal uppers to it and see if that'll work. Because if that works, I'll have an 89/94 GT interior. So it'll be kind of neat to have the pattern from the 89.
Won't you take me home?
Well, Paul's heading off. We got a little bit done on the car. Try and come back because we got to get this car ready for cruise weekend, but it is too hot today. I'm tired. I just recovering from COVID. Been in the hospital for 2 weeks with Gavin because he had a blood infection and stuff, and we were supposed to be in Edmonton this week, but that didn't work. So we're going to Edmonton in September. So I'm gonna get this car pretty up the white car and get things ready for cruise weekend. So stumped right now. Have to figure out some other stuff. Make the wiring pretty, put the interior in, get the dash wired up, and go from there. I've got a couple weeks, so we'll see how it works. But for right now, that's it for now. I know it's really hard to see. I haven't been recording because holy heck, cruise weekend's literally in a couple days. But we got seats, back half the interior, carpet, dash went in. Have to clean those and bolt them in, but detail, get the rest of the parts together. I didn't want to put a door panel on this side because I can't put a lock in it, but I don't have a clip, so I'm probably going to build that tomorrow. Engine, air conditioning is almost all in there, and just a few more things, and then this thing will be ready for cruise weekend, just for the downtown show. We got the convertible wheels on here, the Eagle alloys, but it's been a long time since I've seen a GT interior in a car complete, and I've never seen Mark III yet, and I had to build it. I waxed the dash and stuff, and you can see the difference. So we're gonna try and make the whole interior look like that. Short update. I'll try and get some videos of cruise weekend and stuff. Hello, Mr. Moth.